Welcome to Simply Fleet. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set a maintenance reminder based on your vehicle's odometer reading. To set a reminder for a specific odometer value, here's what you need to do. Let's say you want to create a maintenance reminder. Start by clicking on Add Reminder and select the vehicle you want to set it for. Then choose the service task you'd like to set a reminder for. If the task isn't listed, you can create a new task, like we're doing here with a dummy one. Once that's done, hit Save, and then set your interval, how often you want the reminder to show up. For example, let's say every 10,000 kilometers. Now, check the current odometer reading of the vehicle. By default, the system will add the interval to the current reading. But you can also change this manually. Let's say you set it to 12,000. Go ahead and save this. Your reminder will now appear at 12,000 kilometers, and then again at 22,000. 32,000, and so on, based on the 10,000 interval. And that's it. You've set your odometer-based maintenance reminder. And that's how you set up an odometer-based reminder in Simply Fleet. Stay on top of maintenance and keep your fleet running smoothly. For more tips and how-to videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.